What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped into the channel. Alright man, we got a box. It's been a minute since I dropped a video. I just been busy, man. Everyday life can get the best of you sometimes, man, and just have you super busy. But we got like 6 boxes, so I'm gonna be dropping a lot of videos, so hit that subscribe button, man. They're gonna come out like day after day after day after day. All right, so this box is from Jordan brand. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it came today. I don't know what to expect from this shoe though. I'm gonna be honest with you. I really don't know what to expect. So now I don't know how many people have done a video on this, but we got the Jordan System.23 sail, black cement, and gray. Bro, it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing. It feels good to do an unboxing. But like I said, man, I got 6 boxes here. So hit the subscribe button because there's a lot more videos to come. Alright, man. Looking in the box. The outside of the box is super duper plain. Let me look on the inside of the box. Hope you can see that. I think these are insoles. So this is like a 4-part system. So you got your insoles, you got your exterior, you got your sock. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Got a lot going on with it. Got a lot going on with this shoe right here. Let's look inside this box though. Let's see what we got, man. Alright, we got our foam shoe. I don't know, man. Bro, you know, I low-key blame Adidas for this, right? Because I never ever hit on foam runners. I never hit on slides. So when this shoe dropped, I was like, bro, I have to at least see what this shoe is about. So let's look around the shoe. I don't know. It's kind of goofy looking, man. Kind of goofy looking. I don't have any foams. I don't have any Crocs. I don't have any. So just the concept of a foam shoe alone is goofy to me. So go around the shoe though. Make sure. See that pretty well. Let's take this sock out. This is where you get your cement print. It's almost like one of them socks. Remember when you used to rollerblade and the thing came out of it separately? The inside of the rollerblade came out of the rollerblade separately? That's what this reminds me of. But this also has like a nice little grippy rubber. So I don't know if they was, you know, you could use this maybe for like a water sock or something like that. I don't know, man. I don't. And then on the inside, it's cool, I guess. I just really have to try it on foot and see what this shoe is about, man. I don't know, man. What do you guys think, man? Get down in the comments, man. Get down in the comments. I'm kind of at a loss for words. Let me try to stick this insole inside the shoe. I'm not gonna lie though. I'm kind of at a loss for words with this shoe, bro. I don't know what to think. I may think something different when I try them on feet. So the insole fits inside the shoe just like that. And I'm assuming that you put the insole in when you're wearing it without the sock. But I mean, it's clean though. Honestly, it is clean. I'm going to Florida, right? I'm going to Florida in like a week and a half, so I'm gonna really test these out. I'm not gonna return these. I need something to wear anyway, and this will honestly do the trick when I'm out there on the beach. But yeah, man, get in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this shoe, man. We got the other shoe over here. Like I said, I'm not really worried about any quality control on this shoe. This shoe actually sold out. I'm pretty shocked that this shoe actually sold out. But yeah, get down in the comments, man. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. It's your boy Bert Collins, man. It's good to be back, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel, man. The Jordan System 23. I can't even rate this yet, man. I gotta put it on foot. I gotta wear it. I'm gonna do another video when I'm in Florida, and I'll kind of let you guys know when we walk around the city. I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna put some wear and tear on these and see what happens. But you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace. More videos to come, you guys.